Hey, hey, it's Berta J, and you're back in my kitchen with me today so that I can share some important information with you. Evan and I are going to do 2 live shows this month instead of doing the regular uploads. The first will be on the 10th at 3:30, and the second will be on the 24th, but we're not sure of the time. If you want to give us some feedback about that, what time is good for you. And we're doing this because we need some time, because of you guys, to do a lot of organizational work behind the scenes to get ourselves in some schedule and order so that the things that you see out front will not have us so stressful. And we know that we just need to take some time off from trying to do videos. If we do that, it'll be much easier, and the product, the result, will be better as well. So that's it. That's what we're going to be doing. And so look forward to the 2 live shows on August 10th and August 24th. Okay? And until next time, bye for now.